I will show you step by step how to use the calendar component from the Shadcn UI library using JavaScript and React. To get started, create a React app with JavaScript and install Shadcn UI. If you need instructions on how to do this, I have another video on my channel that shows you the exact step-by-step instructions. Once you have everything set up, we can just go to the documentation here for the calendar component, scroll down until you see the code where we can install the calendar component, copy this command, open up your project, and inside the terminal, just paste in the command that we just copied. Once that is done, go back to the docs, copy this import command, and paste it here. Looking at the docs, we can just copy this code too, and just paste it in here. Because we are using JavaScript, we need to update this line here and just remove the type. So this is what the new line should look like. After that, we can save the code. And now if we run it and open the React app, we should now see the calendar component here. Looking back at the docs, there are different types of calendars that you can use. So like for example, there's a range calendar here. So if you wanted to show multiple months, we can do that by going back to our code and just adding this field, or you just specify the number of months, and I'll just do 2 in this case. Looking here, we can see the calendar displays 2 months instead of 1 now. That is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.